surname, and then surname assigned to value. Okay, that's the end of our property. So we are going to do the property for everything that is up there. So during the exams, I don't do this way. I'm doing it because it's the assignment, and I want to convince the lecturer that I know what I'm doing and I need all the marks. But in the exam, I do what the question paper is saying. So the ICASS does not specify really what to do. It lets you be flexible. So from surname, we are coming to contact as integer. Please don't make a mistake. Contact is not a string, it's integer. So now we are returning not surname but contact. Now contact assigned to value, contact, and we're done. You see, simple and straightforward. From contact, we are coming to stayed, pivot door, sliding. I'll check again. It's the pasting. Please don't blame me, oh. Don't blame me, oh. I wanna save time. Even you guys, I wanna save your data. Pivot the is integer. Okay, pivot the. If you understand this method I'm using, please, you can go for it. But if you don't, please start from the scratch. You lose nothing when you start from the scratch. So you might mess up the code that is working fine because of cut and paste. But unless if you understand it, do it. But if not, please don't. I advise you not to. Okay, from pivot we are coming to sliding door. Underscore sliding door. Return sliding door. And then assign to value, we are assigning the sliding door. Let me scroll down so that you can be able to see the code as we go further. Now paste again, and then we are removing the contact, because from the sliding door we are coming to the aluminium. There we go. Please don't do exactly what I am doing, because you IT students, you mess up every time on the exam and also on your ICASS. Return aluminium door. Because what you do is you copy it as it is from the YouTube and you submit, and somebody copied it as it is and submit. And some of you come to my WhatsApp to ask for the code, and then sometimes I give it to you. And then you just only change the name and you submit. Guys, if I say a spade, is it only a spade that is found in the hardware? I mean, come on, guys, be creative. You can think of anything, a brush, you can think of, you can think, there's a lot, guys, there's a lot, guys. Come on, please, be creative. Think of something else other than spade that I'm using on the YouTube. Maybe a bucket, maybe a paint, maybe a shovel, maybe a hose pipe, maybe a tiles, maybe a ceiling. Come on, please, don't just copy as it. please, from the YouTube. This is why you get penalized in your colleges. So please don't copy it as it is. Be creative. Here we are just only giving you a guideline on how to do it correct and accumulate all the marks. But don't just copy it as it is. Be creative and do your own. Okay? Thank you. Now we are coming to, we have got those other three items. Is civil item, civil item, civil item. Okay, my laptop today is slow. I don't know what's going on. Maybe it doesn't want you guys to be assisted. Who knows? Okay, from civil we have got chemical part of our hardware, where you buy the thinners, chemical items. So this is chemical items. Please, when you do your own, please, you can say woodwork, you can say plastering, you can say bricklaying. When coming to discount, when you buy the items that goes with bricklaying, you get this discount. When you buy items that do wood, you get this discount. So please, as I said, electrical, and you find somebody copying electrical, whereas there is other parts that you can use. Let me say electrical items, because all the parts I'm saying items. Okay, return electrical items, and electrical items sent to value. Electrical items. Now we are done with the second part. We are coming to the third and last part under the class, which is public function. Please don't mix public function and public property. Public function, calculate. What are we calculating? Let's go back to the interface, because I can't remember also. We have got total before VAT, total after VAT, and total with discount. So we are going to calculate the first one, total before VAT. Okay, calc total before VAT. Calc total before VAT as decimal. Now we return, what are we returning? Before any VAT included, we are calculating the price of everything. The spade, price of the spade plus the price of the pivot door, price of the pivot door plus the price of the sliding door plus the price of aluminum door. Okay, that's our first public function. Our second public function we use the public function to calculate what we are going to display. Please calc total after that. Now this is the total price after the SARS has taken its money. And then South African VAT is what? Is it 0.14 or 0.15? Now the VAT, we are going to put it on our calc before VAT, the amount of money that we will get before VAT, and then we will multiply it. Where is the multiplication? I will multiply it with 0. Is that 0.15? No, and I made a mistake. This is a public function, so it must have two brackets in front of it. If I didn't put those two brackets, it was going to give us a problem. Okay, number last, it's a public function that we're gonna use to calculate the discount. Public function calc total with discount. Please be creative. I'm emphasizing it. Be creative. As decimal. You can come up with your own way. Return. And remember, this thing that you are seeing me writing this, and not instead of putting all these and then multiply with this, and I just only write this, is because this public function carries everything that is here. But you can write everything if you want. Or if you don't want to write everything, you can just only copy this as a public function and then you put it down here. Okay? Because you can see somebody having done writing all this and then apply with this, and then you say, hey, I think I am wrong. The other ones are correct. No, you are still correct. Like also down here, I am writing only this. But the formula could have said spade plus pivot plus sliding door plus aluminium door multiply by 0.5 and then subtract the discount. But I am not going with that long formula after that, and then subtract. My discount is going to be 150. There we go. Okay. We are done under the class. We are going to the button. I'm trying to think of displaying here and displaying here, but I'm thinking of doing both at the same time to save time, because time is almost equivalent to money. No, under the button, yeah. I'm not sure if you will understand. Do it separately so you can understand, or okay, we'll see as we code. Because also at the same time, I'm thinking of a lot. Some of the code I've forgotten them how to do them. Hey, God must help me here. And then when we come here, we also, I said we have 3 parts, right? The first part is to link the class to the button here, and then we assign by using integer the type case, and then we display. But here we will not display because we have got the quotation part. They have got 2 slips. In the quotation part, where we will have to use a statement on the radio button part and also on the checkbox part. So yes, let's say dim our class is called Bono, right? So the Bono 1. The Bono 1 is new Bono. Yo, is that how I do it? Then Bono 1. Something is wrong here. We don't say Dim Bono 1 as new Bono. Dim Bono 1 as Bono. Yeah, Bono 1 as Bono. And then Bono 1 as Bono. Yes, it has to underline like this. There we go. And then we say Bono 1 assigned to new Bono. There we go. And then we play with the integer the type. And then they said we should also do the data validation. So I won't do with all the text box. I'll just only do maybe with 2 or 3. We've got about 5 type of data validation, but the ones that are applicable here, I think there will be if it's numeric. So we're gonna do one text box that is gonna receive numbers, and then we'll use the data validation of if it's numeric, and then we'll do maybe if it's nothing. No, we'll see, and then we'll do. Okay, let's say txt name dot text comma Bono 1 full stop name. There we go. Okay. I thought I would be doing copying and pasting. Now let me just go with it. Let's got stamina. The txt from name come to surname dot text comma Bono 1. Yes, and I will advise you to use CLS. It's very much important to use shortcuts in programming. Myself, I just named my text box, my class. I just named my class Bono. It has to be CLS Bono to say it's a class. You see. So when you do yourself that side, please do it properly. Please don't forfeit marks. Integer dot type. Okay. Txt from the we no longer have any txt now. We've got the radio. Let's start with the checkbox. HK. We start with spade, right? HK spade dot text Bono spade. Down here I can see name. I can see some name. Contact. I can see pivot dot loading dot, but I can't see spade. Keep on the field. It's gonna give me error here, but I will fix it when I come back. Let me just come here and check what happened to the spade. That is not popping up. Let's see. So we do everything except the steady. Instead of after the contact and come to the steady, we came to the pivot door. We have to do the steady lap. Copy. Paste. Adla. Lin makin moto. Okay. Now we are returning. Please be careful when you code. Don't do mistake like mine. Others it's hard for them to fix such mistakes or to know where they went wrong. So when we write state, it's no longer popping up. State. I wanna state. Now we continue. Integer dot try paste. Let's just finish this thing. CHK from state we have what? Pivot door, right? Pivot door. Integer dot try paste. I'm getting ahead of myself. CHK we come to sliding door. Take command sliding door. Now integer dot try paste. Okay, aluminium dot text, comma, carbono, stop, aluminum. Now from there we are not done. We have got our radio buttons of the discount. We must also do them. The lecture here will know that you are rocking. We have got the radio button of CV dot text. The name of the class is phono1 dot civil item. Integer dot try page. Okay, open close. Rad chemical dot text comma bono one stop chemical item. Number last integer dot try page. Rad scissors. Rad electrical. Stop electrical item. Here we go. So the data validation, I don't know if I should do it now. I will do it later when everything is debugging and waiting. I will come back now. Let me do this at the same time. We work for the quotation and also for the calculation part. How then can we do it? My students. Let's declare this. Let's declare dim let's say doing spade. Hey, what happened now? It's okay, press capital let's spade, comma, pivot, door, comma, what else? Pivot, door, comma, sliding, door, comma, door, comma, civil, comma, chemical, comma, mechanical. Hey, mechanical. Jesus. Electrical. Hey, I'm getting tired now. Hey, teacher. Let's say stage. Stage is how much? Let's say it's 320. Let's say pivot door is 2,500. Let's say sliding door is 2,000. We're just assuming, guys. I don't exactly know the exact price, but the aluminum I know is expensive, 3,000. And then for the civil discount, you will get, if you buy the civil items, you will be given 200 grand discount. If you buy for the chemical that is dangerous, you'll be given 400 discount. And then if you buy for the electrical, because they last long, we can give you 150 discount. What else? Electrical. Electrical is 150. Okay. TXT, tau before that. Don't take. My brain now is starting to be slow, my guys. Right? This one do spade plus pivot door plus what? Sliding door plus aluminum door. GXT. Let me just test this thing if it's working, because we just continue and we realize that it's not working. Okay. Debugging, so we'll see if it's working. So guys, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Roto. Let's say and the number phone, there we go. Okay, there we go, but it's not perfect that much. Okay, let's say it's okay. Amount of money dot to string. Still loading, taking long. Yeah, but now you know how to put the amount, right? Dot to string, and then we said C for currency, C2 for South Africa. And then let's check the second one, TXT total after the text equals to TXT total before the text, the total before the text. Let me just put this one inside the bracket here, so that we cannot have any problem. Multiply by 0.15. One might be saying, why are you dot to string? Why are you repeating what you have done that side? It's because I want to deal with the quotation slip at the same time. Dot to string. You will understand what I mean. That's what I was making me to be slow. I was trying to think on how to fix this. TXT total with discount. TXT total after. Do remind me to come back and use if statement if they select if they select civil, the discount should be. If they select chemical, the discount should be. If they select electrical, the discount should be. Because now here I'm just only doing the string to test only to see if it's gonna work, because I'm not sure. Let's just test and see, because we can't move forward when we are not 100% sure that this will work. We must know first if it will work, and then we'll be able to move forward. Okay, Toto Bulelwa and the contact. Okay, with a dot, like door, aluminium, zero. Okay, all this is working. It's in rand, but then the total with discount is not in rand. Let's see what's going on. Then we'll come this side, and then we'll do the data validation. If time still allows us. Okay, this one we're done, but it's not doing the doing. Okay, how can we make it do the doing? Let it finish the loading, and then now we'll just put the open bracket here. Good morning, Jesus. Morning, Lord. There we go. Now, the bigger one. Quotation dot I10 dot I10 quotation dot I10 dot add. Hey, this is where you should open your eyes to see what's going on. We are adding name of customer. customer, name of customer, the name of customer. It's gonna take it from the text box. It won't come unless I put this. Yes, check T. And then we should have a space between the name of the customer and this one. So how do we put a space in Visual Basic? We use what we call it VB tag. Then it will give us a space. So let's say txt name dot. There you go. Let me not do the copy. Let me just work from the beginning. Cool. Now I'm missing it. Q quotation dot items dot add. We are coming to the what customer surname. Customer surname. Please don't do the way I'm doing. Do it in your own way. Please be creative. Because I said customer surname, and then on the name I said name of the customer. I could have said the customer's name. So feel free to play around with this way. However you put it, there is no marks of saying you put it in a better English or not in a better English. Okay, quotation dot items dot add. I think I can't be adding everything, guys. Some of the things you will add yourself, we'll just test and see if it will work. So if it works, we'll go and do it. Contact of a customer. I could have said customer contact. So however you wanna do it. It's your job as a system analysis and developer to develop a program that will be able to be used in the hardware. So be creative. Quotation dot item dot add. And look, now I want to put a line after the customer's detail, and then coming to the items and select it. And then one might say, why the line? Do as you wish. If you want to do it, do it. If you don't, don't. Okay. Quotation item. You can write the names of the items and their prices if you want. I'm just showing now myself. I'm just jumping down so that I can do validation and then close up. What did I want it to do? Total before VAT. TXT total before. Guys, be creative, please. I'm saying it again and again and again and again. However you wanna do it, though. As long as you do it in a best way. Total after that. And I'm just going and going and going, and I'm not sure if this thing is working. I should do test the something before I can try. Let me test. Zero. Go. Bolelwa. Contact number. There you go. And don't complain that the contact number is not too much. Okay, this side we are good. Now using that currency we have it. And then here on our slip we also have this one. You will do the underline and then you will do the rest. Be creative. I'm leaving this one. I'm not going to do it anymore. Let's check the data validation for ICASS. Okay, let's wait for it to finish to load. Okay, let's the text box contact name. Yeah, let's put a data validation in a text box of contact. If it's numeric, what has to be numeric? The txt contact dot text. If it's numeric, then the text box, let's copy this code of, okay, cut it, not copy, let's put it here. If it is numeric, then it should process it or assign it. And then if it's else message box dot show, the message box must then tell me that no, put number, please put number. Okay, let's see if this data validation works. That's how simple it is to do data validation, by the way. And each and every year during the final, it comes with around 5 marks. Sorojo Bolelwa. And then here we write words instead of numeric or numbers. Let's see what will happen. Calculate. Instead of calculating, you see now it shows us a message, error message. You can please input the number. Okay, and then let's put the numbers instead of words and see. Now it never shows the error. This is how it is done. My name is Mzedaro Tomba, the guy with the YouTube channel. Thanks for getting back to my channel. May bless you. If you're struggling with CP, do come in box. I will put my contact number, my WhatsApp number there. You will holler me, and I will make sure that I assist you, and I will also give you this code and this project. But I don't want you to submit it as it is. You must edit it in your own way, please. This is just to say how you should do it. And then we are coming back again with another one that is going to show you a practical assessment task number 2, the one of the databases. All right. For the meantime, enjoy.